Welcome to Turnin and Burnin, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. We're at it again, putting in another concrete batching plant. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. You can look at some of the other videos we've done in the past and seen how we've done it, and I've explained everything. I'm gonna show you, we're gonna tear this plant down right over here. We've already got a start on it. We're gonna take it along little by little, show you how we're gonna tear all this plant down. Everything from here over is coming down, silos moving. We're gonna put a brand new plant in, so stay tuned. Let's get to rocking and rolling. Always lots of stuff going on day one while we were tearing down everything over here. The guys were forming everything up, getting ready. This is stuff we formed everything up that we could and poured before we shut the plant down, so they've been over here doing that. Got their mat ready to stick in there and they'll pour in the morning. That way they can roll over there and start pouring for the silo that's going up. Always lots of stuff to do and a little bit of time to do it, but we got this. All right, day one complete. All this stuff was taken down, the stacker, dust collector, all that was taken from over here. We moved the silo structure from where it was there back to here, and everything is prepped and ready for day two. So we will be back tomorrow to get everything else moved out of the way, so we can start putting the new stuff in. Setting up for day two. Continue demoing this old plant out. Day two, it is 1:48. Everything's out of the way. Now we gotta hurry up and get in here and clean all this stuff up so we can form it up. We're gonna do our ramp and our concrete so we can get all that done, and the new stuff should be getting here in a couple hours, and then we'll start installing this. Rain, rain, go away till we are done. Things can change in a matter of minutes. Big old rainstorm, but back at it again. Out with the old, in with the new. Day 3 is going to be a beehive of activity. We have to get all this formed up so we can pour tomorrow. Now that everything's out of the way, we're going to encase these old pieces right here, get our ramp so we can get formed up. Stuff that came in, we're sorting it all out, getting it all ready over there, getting all of our bolts and everything ready. That way we can start getting pieces ready for this afternoon when it comes in, and we can start stacking this up. That's what we're looking at on day 3. At the end of day 3, we got everything formed up and ready to pour first thing in the morning for that ramp for where the silo is going to go, and we got those sections in place, and tomorrow we'll start setting this and working our way up and pour all that concrete. Started day 4, keep on erecting, about to pour the ramp for the silos, just heading on in here. End of day 4, got the ramp poured, ready to go. Set all the anchor bolts, got the centers and everything. Pour that in the morning, Got the aggregate side almost complete. So tomorrow will be Friday on to day 5. Welcome up to day 5, Friday. Take you along what we have to do. We're going to get this conveyor in today, finish pouring a little bit over there and a few little items, and we're gonna try to make it a quick half day, get out of here and enjoy our weekend. All right, the end of day 5. Well, actually, lunchtime of day 5. Got all the ramp poured, columns poured, and we have this section of the plan up all the way to here. We're gonna let this cure over the weekend while we go enjoy Independence Day, July 4th. We're gonna let this cure. When we come back, we can set those legs on top right here and start working our way up. So with that, I'm gonna end this video. That was 5 days worth of work. Not too bad. Tearing the plant down, doing all the concrete work. A bunch of people going all over the place, and guys did an excellent job. So the next video that we put out, we'll be doing the other side, and you'll see how long it takes us to do all the silos. So thanks for watching. I'm not gonna drag up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. Peace.